This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. With 3 stabbing incidents taking place at high schools in the last 2 weeks, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has once again seized several weapons including knives, scissors, and coconut drops infused with ganja at a high school in the St. Catherine South Division. The JCF said the search, which was carried out on Wednesday, was conducted under the Violence Interruption Strategy to aid in the prevention of violent encounters in educational institutions. Education Minister Favour Williams, in a press conference last week, said her ministry would begin an audit of the extent to which metal detectors are being used in public schools. She shared that the detectors will form part of the ministry's response to reduce the incidence of violence among students by detecting and confiscating implements which are frequently used during disputes. Lifesavers wipes, a locally conceptualized Jamaican-made product, has won the top prize in Global Innovations of 2019 to 2021 at the International Design Excellence Awards held at the Miami Beach Convention Center in the United States. The wipes won the award for the best new product globally of 2019 to 2021. Lifesavers wipes, which can indicate to its users if there are any irregularities in their urine, now joins previous winners including Huggies Pull-Ups, Purex 3-in-1 laundry sheets, Lysol disinfectant wipes, and Procter & Gamble's Swiffers, in an exclusive group set to become game changers in the engineered fabrics industry.
You do not make snide remarks about people's medical needs. If he were close to me, he would get a Chris Rock special.
In regional news, less than a week after the slapping incident at the Oscars, a St. Vincent and the Grenadines Member of Parliament threatened to give one of his colleagues a Chris Rock special. Daniel Cummings told Minister of Public Service Frederick Stevenson that he would have gotten a special were they near each other. Cummings was debating a resolution in Parliament when he made the comments. In international news, a London man who strangled his Jamaican-born grandmother to death before having sex with her corpse twice will remain in a psychiatric hospital indefinitely, according to reports. Donovan Miller, who lived alone with his grandmother in East London, attacked 76-year-old Phyllis Grant while she was asleep. It is reported that Miller hit the elderly woman repeatedly with a vase before raping her corpse twice. The 31-year-old, who was his grandmother's caregiver, then called the police emergency line and admitted to his crimes, stating enough is enough. And in sports, for the first time in their Issa Grace Kennedy Champs career, neither Tina Clayton, world under-20 100-meter champion, nor her identical twin sister Tia of Edwin Allen High will be attempting the sprint double when the 5-day championships start next Tuesday at the National Stadium. Edwin Allen's head coach, Michael Dyke, told ORAP that the decision was made a long time ago, stating that there is enough depth in Class 1, so there was no need for the twins to double. The draw for the World Cup group stage has set up some intriguing prospects and will start on November 21 with host Qatar playing Ecuador. England will play the United States, and both must face Iran and potentially Ukraine. A total of 37 teams were involved on Friday because 3 entries in the 32-team lineup are not yet known. They are to be confirmed in June when the European and Intercontinental playoffs finish. The top 2 teams in the standings of each group will advance to the round of 16 knockout stage. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.